Hey guys!
Welcome to Cooking with Brashley.
What are we cooking tonight?
Tonight we're cooking loaded baked cauliflower.
Yeah, that sounds delicious.
So it's a side dish that you can add to any of your mains. It's essentially loaded like a baked potato.
Oh, yeah, that's the name. Okay, so we're gonna learn about a couple things tonight, guys. We're gonna learn why you want to supplement with vitamin C when you're eating bacon. Okay, we're gonna learn why most people are lactose intolerant. And we're going to learn the best way to cook our vegetables. Okay? So first things first.
We're going to get that bacon cooking.
Get that bacon cooking, baby. While Ashley's going to get the bacon cooking, I'm going to talk about why we want to supplement with vitamin C. So bacon has something called natural nitrates, or the food companies add nitrates to it. Now, even if it says nitrate free, it has something called natural celery extract, which could be 10 times worse than the actual nitrate. But basically what the nitrate's going to do in your body is going to go in and it's going to turn into nitrosamines. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
I think I've told you that before, so you never listen to me. So it's going to turn into nitrosamines, which is cancer causing, right? But if you take a vitamin C supplement like a lemon, oranges, kiwi, something high in vitamin C, or red peppers is another one. That vitamin C, that antioxidant, actually counteracts the nitrates turning into nitrosamines. So, boom, we need as well. Can't eat as much bacon as you want, but it definitely helps out. Okay? So we're gonna get that bacon in. Ashley, bop. Get that bacon in. And again, this is very, very easy. So, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our cauliflower going. So our bacon's probably we're gonna bake our bacon. Bake our bacon.
Make your bacon.
At what, 350?
Yep.
350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now we don't want to burn it, right? Because we don't want to, well, burnt food's bad for us, right? It causes some more cancer-causing substances we don't want in our body. So we cook it nice at 350, and we're gonna, well.
I usually flip it in between as well.
Do you?
Do you? You don't?
I don't.
Oh, I always do.
No, convection oven usually bakes it off.
Yeah, but it's perfect when you flip
Okay,
it.
whatever, here we go. So, our next ingredient is our broccoli.
Cauliflower?
Ah, that was a test. Okay, so our cauliflower. So basically, the way we're going to cook our cauliflower is we're going to
steam it.
Steam it, Willie beam it. Yeah, okay, whatever. So the reason we want to steam it is because, well, we don't want to boil it because there's a lot of vitamins in our vegetables, especially cauliflower, that are sensitive. I keep cracking this. I think I'm nervous.
Stop it, it's weird.
It's nice.
Leave the cauliflower alone.
Okay, so you want to steam it because if we boil it, there's a lot of vitamins in our vegetables that are sensitive to heat, right? So we want to steam it just at, well, sorry. We want to make sure we just steam it so that we keep as much nutrients in this cauliflower as possible, okay? So Ashley?
Also, I don't know if anyone else has steamed or boiled their cauliflower before. It's a very different texture when you steam it. You can steam it, you know, the best way to tell when it's done is it'll get a little bit translucent and it'll, like the little leaves or the stems will get a little bit greener. You put a fork in it, it's done. Boiling it, you have less control over the effect or the texture that you're getting from the end of the boil.
Right, what's that word? You want to boil it or steam it to
Dante.
Dante. Okay, so we've already pre-steamed it. Okay, we're gonna get that.
Are you doing a magic trick?
Okay, not yet. Okay guys, welcome back. Our cauliflower has been cooked. Our bacon is done. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the cauliflower on the cutting board. We're gonna cut it up. Now we're gonna chop it up. We're not gonna blend it because we don't want. I don't want a fruit smoothie.
Blending it basically is just gonna puree it. If you want to do, there's another recipe we have, cauliflower grits and shrimp. That calls for a puree and a blender.
If you want that, click on the link below.
Subscribe.
Okay.
Anyway, so we're just gonna chop it up a little bit. Yep, I'm ready.
So guys, again, our cauliflower is not mushy, okay? We've cooked it al dente, okay? So it's still got a little bit of crisp to it, just like Mama made it. And I'm just gonna cut it up. You don't mind using my hands, you guys don't use, yeah, I use my hands. Cook your hands, cook with love, right? Put a little love into it. Squash. Okay, Ashley's now we got our cauliflower here ready to go. Bradley, or Rosanna, now we're gonna get our beautiful bacon. Now I find too, when you buy nice organic bacon, it cooks a lot quicker, so you don't need to have it in as long. Chop that up. Okay, so we're gonna chop our bacon up. All set? Okay guys, our bacon is chopped now. We're gonna add this puppy in. Oh my god, you're disgusting. You are gonna eat this.
Bacon is delicious.
Okay, so our bacon is inside now. Now what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna grate our cheese. Once my wife gets her
I got greasy hands.
bacon
You got a
fingers,
lot.
yeah, whatever. Okay, so we have picked organic lactose-free cheese. Okay, the reason that we've chose lactose-free cheese is because a lot of people don't even know it, but they're lactose intolerant, okay? So if you've ever felt bloated or you've had a little autoimmune response, you just kind of feel like crap, that could be the lactose that you're eating in the cheese, right? Because basically, when we're born with an enzyme called lactase, and lactase breaks down the lactose, which is the lactase breaks the lactose into 2 simple sugars, okay? And when we grow older, we lose that enzyme. Most of us lose that enzyme, from what I believe. And so it's a lot harder for us to break that lactose on, which can cause bloating and autoimmune response, right? So if you are feeling that way, maybe try a lactose-free cheese.
Still very delicious.
Oh my god, it's amazing, yeah.
We need it for the dish.
Oh. It's delicious, okay?
This is 1-year-old organic lactose-free cheese too.
Pardon? Whatever. Okay, so we're gonna grate as much cheese as we want there. Maybe more, maybe a whole brick, because we love our cheese. So Ashley's grating that cheese, and we're gonna add it to our bowl. Okay, we'll add it to our loaded baked potato, whatever it is, loaded cauliflower. Okay, so I've added my cheese, my bacon, and my cauliflower. My next step, pièce de résistance. We're going to add some grass-fed sour cream. Now we've all talked about the benefits of choosing grass-fed instead of your normal stuff. Now I'm probably going to put, you don't want to go sparingly. You want to, maybe put about half a cup in there. Okay, we're going to work it out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix this baby up, just like so. You can see it's starting the consistency. It's still got some chunks in there. Now from here, I'm going to ask Ash to actually add a little secret ingredient, and that's a little grass-fed butter. Make it a little bit more creamy. Okay, so we'll add a chunk of grass-fed butter in here. And once we get that all melted,
oh,
wow.
Shit.
Okay, a little bit more than that. A little saturated fat's good for us. Okay, thank you. So add a little butter in there. Now guys, I'm telling you, I made this, last weekend for my parents. My dad's very picky, and this thing was a hit. He actually,
Emailed to ask for the recipe.
He emailed, he texted, he did everything so he could get this recipe. So once we get this puppy all mixed up, Ashley, the dish please.
Dish me.
I'm dishing you. Okay, we're gonna throw this into the dish here, just like so. Now we have our oven on at what, 350?
Yep.
Get a little better spoon here. Okay. So if you are going to a backyard barbecue and you are asked to bring a little side dish, instead of bringing that stupid store-bought salad, make this, okay? Okay. So, like so. Now, I need some extra cheese. So, now that we have our cheese in here, we want to top it off with a little bit of cheese, and then we're going to bake this at 350 for about 20 minutes. Okay? Okay. Now we have our finished product, guys. You can fill that with cheese, that's a little bit better, but you know what, hey, we're married and sometimes we run out of cheese. So
always run out of
cheese. Okay, so we're gonna pop this in the oven. Boosh!
Hey guys, so the cauliflower is done. We're gonna whip it out. You're a child.
Oh wow, that's amazing. What did you say?
Whip it.
Now guys, we're whipping this baby out, but if you want it a little crispy on top, don't be afraid to broil it at the end, okay? So.
And as always, subscribe, like, comment. We'd love to hear your feedback. It literally is just a click away.
This looks, smells amazing. I can't wait to eat what?
I know. So let's talk and
Let's get eating.